Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you can't see the WhatsApp notifications on your ONEPLUS Pad. So if you don't see the notifications, always check at the start that you have disabled the Do Not Disturb mode or the silent mode. So just check it, and if you have the DND mode, turn it off. Just go to the home screen, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose App Info. Then go to the Manage Notifications and allow it. Remember to select the lock screen and banner also, and you can decide that you want to get the dots on your home screen. Remember also to keep deactivated the hide notification details on the lock screen. Okay, after that, go to the settings, look for your Wi-Fi, and tap on the 3-dot icon to open the more settings. Then go to the Wi-Fi data usage and choose network access. Then slide down and tap on the WhatsApp. Remember to keep it deactivated the Wi-Fi. After that, you can also go to the additional settings, then slide down and go to the backup and reset. Choose the reset device and choose the reset network settings. Configure your account pattern and tap on the reset network settings. After that, look the WhatsApp again. You can also try to update your system by opening the settings and go to the Oxygen OS. Tap on it, and if you have any update, just add and install. Of course, you can also try to reinstall your WhatsApp application. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.